Hello, in this video I want to show you how to end your year, how to end the physical year within the global banking application. So we're going to start a wizard, we're going to start a module that will help us go through some checks and make sure that the year ends and all the accounts are balanced, all the general ledger accounts are balanced, and so we start a new year with fresh data, fresh mind. So what we do is we're going to general ledger transactions, and down here we have EOY, end of year process, and this brings the menu where we have the year to end here on the list of years. Now we want to end the year 2021. I'm going to click on next, and for this to be done, it is necessary that a copy of the database is backed up. This is because the end of year process does a lot of changes in the database, so we want to make sure that we back up our database. We have to choose the location here, and we click on the backup button. You have to wait depending on the size of your database. It could take longer than expected if the database has much, so we have to wait, and once the backup is complete we'll come back and move on. All right, there we have our backup done successfully, and I want to really stress on this point right here. Before you do that, make sure that your server, the computer you're working on, is running on a backup system to avoid electricity failure that could corrupt the database and bring your system to some trouble. So make sure that you have the computer, the server is running on UPS, uninterrupted backup, or any form of system that makes sure that the flow of electricity is permanent, whether the external source is supplied or not. Right now we have backed up the copy of our database, and we're going to click next right here, and we have the possibility to print out the trial balance, the statement of income and expense. Remember, there is a video here that walks you through the process of printing the statement of income and expense, and also the printing of profit and loss. So if we go to a trial balance here, we may want to select a process within a particular period. Okay, we can process that, and we'll be able to print that in maybe 8 columns. When you print the trial balance in 4 columns, and that is just to give you some information. Once this is done, you're clicking on next, and we're going to have to refresh here, and this is going to give us details of the changes that will be carried out, the compilation that will be taking place in the database, and the sum total that will update some of the general ledger back office accounts, and letting us know whether we've been working on a profit, whether the end of the year has been profitable, or we are on a loss. And remember, these are just demo data. We've just been using demo all over. That's why you can see whatever you see. So when you run your end of year, you're going to pay attention to the profit or the loss that you're going to have at the end of the year. Once everything is checked and you're confident that you have to go on, you click on this button here and you click yes. Once this is done, the physical year has been closed, and you are ready to start a new year from that moment. So I hope this video has been helpful, as I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you.